This project management secret is insane. Companies don't want you to know. Nobody's talking about height automations. But they're revolutionizing project management right now. While you're drowning in spreadsheets and endless meetings, smart teams already cracked the code. Height just dropped something massive. Automations that think like humans. They're watching your projects, learning your patterns, making decisions without you. Here's what's actually happening. Your task gets created. Height instantly assigns the right person, sets the deadline automatically, updates stakeholders, books follow-up meetings, all while you sleep. But wait, it gets insane. These automations predict project failures 3 weeks before they happen. They spot bottlenecks you can't see, reallocate resources instantly, move deadlines before chaos hits. I tested this with my team. Project completion jumped 40%. Overnight. Communication errors? Gone. Missed deadlines? Eliminated. Team stress? Cut in half. The scary part? Height learns from every project, gets smarter with each task, builds knowledge your competitors don't have, creates advantages they can't copy. Traditional project managers are panicking because Height does their job better, faster, without emotions or politics, just pure efficiency. Setup takes 5 minutes. Connect your existing tools. Slack, GitHub, Figma, everything syncs automatically. Your workflow transforms instantly. Smart triggers are game-changing. Client emails trigger project updates. Code commits update timelines. Budget changes alert managers. It's like having an AI assistant watching everything. But here's the secret sauce. Heights.